To properly cleanse, dry, and style your synthetic fiber wig or hairpiece, you will need Jon Renau shampoo for synthetic fiber, Jon Renau conditioning spray for synthetic fiber, Jon Renau HD Smooth Detangler, Jon Renau holding spray, a wide tooth comb, and a wig stand. Before washing your synthetic fiber wig or hairpiece, gently remove any tangles with your Jon Renau wide tooth comb. Place hand inside cap and hold it top of wig under cool running water. Gently lather the hair with a small amount of Jon Renau shampoo while making sure that the hair is traveling in the same direction. Do not rub hair as this may cause tangling. Rinse thoroughly in cool water until the water runs clear. Wrap your wig in a towel and gently pat dry to remove excess water. Gently detangle hair using Jon Renau wide tooth comb. Spray 3 to 5 pumps of Jon Renau conditioning spray, keeping away from the base of wig or hairpiece. Allow wig to air dry naturally by placing on a plastic or wire wig stand. Do not blow dry. Use your fingertips or wide tooth comb to style as desired. Lock in style by misting 3 to 5 pumps of Jon Renau holding spray. Do not use heat to style synthetic fibers. Air dry naturally to allow fiber to return to its shape. We recommend daily use of HD Smooth Detangler with a wide tooth comb to detangle your synthetic wig. This is especially important with mid to long length wigs or hairpieces.